Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox crashing on PC. So the very first thing to do here, if you encounter this one, is to simply restart your computer because that would be the reason or might the reason why your Roblox is keep on crashing. Second is you have to type or search for Roblox and then run this as administrator. After that, you have to launch Roblox again and see if it's not crashing anymore. Now, if the issue still exists or you still encounter this crashing while playing, the third thing to do is go to settings, and this time you have to look for apps. Tap apps here and then look for installed apps. You have to click installed apps. And then after that, you have to search for Roblox here. You can scroll down and look for Roblox, or you can go to the search apps, tap this magnifying glass icon, look for Roblox, and then click this three dots and uninstall your Roblox here. Okay, so if you download this using your Microsoft Store or Google, so you can just simply uninstall this one. And then after that, of course, you need to reinstall it again. So this time you have to go to any web browser and then type or look for Roblox and then select any game here. For example, this one, tap this, and then you will see this green button. You have to tap one. Then after that, you will see a notification. It says download and install. So you have to click that button here, download and install, and you will be notified above that it is now starting to download. Once done, you have to go to your download folder, tap Roblox, and then click or run this as administrator. And then once Roblox is launched, try to see if it's working well and it's not crashing anymore. Then the last method to do is simply go to your Roblox, right click, and then scroll down, look for properties, and then look for compatibility. Now you have to run compatibility troubleshooter to see what is really the problem why your Roblox keep on crashing. So you can also test this one, and then if the Roblox or the compatibility mode is okay, then you can apply this. You just have to click apply and okay, and then click or launch your Roblox again and see if it's working well, if it's functioning well, if it's not crashing anymore. So that's it. So I do really hope that following from any of this method somehow will fix your problem about Roblox keep on crashing. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.